Hook viewers in 5 seconds. Stop. If you want to start a YouTube channel and actually get views, make money, and grow fast, don't make the same mistakes 90% of beginners make. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel like a pro step by step. You'll learn how to set up your channel, design a killer brand, optimize for views, and start making money. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal a bonus growth hack that most YouTubers don't know. Ready? Let's go! Create your YouTube channel the right way. Alright? First things first, go to youtube.com and click Create Channel. But wait, there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. Don't use a personal account. Do create a brand account. Why? Because a brand account lets you add team members, customize settings, and scale your channel like a business. Pro tip: this small step will save you tons of headaches later. Choose a viral channel name. Your channel name is your brand. It needs to be memorable. Here's the formula for a perfect YouTube name. Short and catchy, like Creator Cash Flow. Easy to spell and say. No weird numbers. Relates to your niche, finance, gaming, vlogging, etc. Pro tip: type your name into YouTube search. If similar names pop up, that's a good sign. If not, consider tweaking it. Design a killer channel banner and logo using Canva. Your YouTube banner and logo are the first things people see. Think of it like your storefront sign. If it looks boring, people won't click. Use Canva to create a pro-looking banner in minutes. Banner formula: who you are plus what you do plus why they should subscribe. Example: weekly YouTube growth hacks vertical bar new videos every Monday. Pro tip: use bold colors, minimal text, and add a call to action. Set up your channel for maximum views and monetization. Now, let's optimize your channel so YouTube recommends your videos to more people. Here's what you need to do. Write a keyword-rich about section. Tell people what your channel is about. Add social media links and calls to action, Instagram, website, email. Customize your featured video and playlists. More optimization is equal to more views and subscribers. Create your first video using Canva AI. You don't need fancy cameras or expensive editing software. Just use Canva AI. AI voiceovers, no need to record yourself. Stock footage and templates, professional-looking videos in minutes. Easy animations and text overlays. Pro tip: keep your videos short, engaging, and fast-paced to hook viewers fast. Upload and optimize for more views. Uploading is easy, but if you don't optimize, no one will see your video. Follow this viral upload checklist. Use a click-worthy title. Example: how to start a YouTube channel in 2024 step by step. Write a keyword-rich description. Include timestamps, links, and hashtags. Use a high CTR thumbnail. Use Canva for eye-catching thumbnails. Title plus thumbnail is equal to viral success. Monetize and make money on YouTube. Want to make money on YouTube? Here's how. Get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for YouTube ad revenue. Add affiliate links in your description. Get paid for product sales. Get brand sponsorships. Companies will pay you to promote their products. Sell digital products, courses, templates, coaching. YouTube is equal to unlimited income potential. Call to action. Get more engagement. Now that you know how to start a YouTube channel like a pro, it's time to take action. What to do next? Comment grow if you're ready to start your channel. Hit like and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Subscribe now, don't miss out.